Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and this will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. If you are new here and you think the trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple, even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session. Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP. So today we will trade in amounts $100. Let's see what happens. Let's get started with our trading. The first thing we do is start our setting up our trading space. Let's start $100 our deal amount. 1 minute. 1 minute time frame. We also go to the settings to set up. We will use currency pairs for trading. There are no OTC on regular currency pairs, so let's choose a few. You see also percentages, payout percentages. It should exceed plus or minus 70%, and I have already highlighted several currency pairs. Next, and no less important, today we'll use our technical analysis. So let's see. Bollinger Bands settings. So Bollinger Bands uses a statistical measure known as a standard deviation for specific zones where support levels and resistance levels may occur. Often this indicator is the first to show where the trend is heading. Secondly, it can also show some kind of consolidation there, like here. So uptrend trend. When beyond the lower limit, there is a downward trend. Next, the second indicator is rate of change. This indicator shows us the volatility of our market. So we had a sharp drop. In principle, this indicator also fell. Its line fell here. We also have a mark of 0. Short-term or long-term trends, the trend is changing. This is kind of volatility indicator. Here I think everyone understands how this indicator works. Also, before we move on to the first concept, let's move on. Here we are. Let's open a down deal and we begin our technical analysis. While we opened down deal, we see resistance area. I think it's some kind of consolidation, but still in this consolidation we also highlight support area. We see before this we practically reached a little higher than half of the resistance area. Then we had rollback, strong consolidation. Our chart is moving sideways. So next, we see our indicator is moving up. Overall picture is still going up. So perhaps the best option would be to open up deal. Let's look. And deal is in the plus, good. $81 on our balance. Our profit, we already have $181. Let's move on. Here we are. Down deal, and next we'll begin our technical analysis. So we see we went for an increase and now we have drawdown. So we open our trade down. This drawdown is also shown by our Bollinger Bands. all its pores directed in the lower position. Last candles include ours, which already has 14 seconds left until the end forms, and plus another green shadow in the main top. Rate of change, we see 0 mark, its lower position, confirms our desire, then our voting rate gradually decreases. 8 seconds left until the end of the deal. Yeah, $83. Let's move on. Here we are. Our technical analysis. We see good drawdown. We move to the resistance area. We still have certain range, so it will be logical for us to up and down. So I think the second stage of the support area we see. We still have some consolidation because we had a larger trend. Let's say here there was a drawdown trend, then consolidation, then an upward trend, then again a downward trend, consolidation, downward. So Bollinger Bands also shows us a decline. We are below the 0 mark by this indicator, and we're still in decline in the overall picture. 3 seconds left. Zoom it. Yeah, last deal, like the previous one, the profit is $84 as we have percentage. 84. $348. Pretty good. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. In my Telegram you can find more useful information, more signals, more tradings, so you can use it for free. Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies. Here we are, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. Some kind of a consolidation, but we see a resistance area and support area. We can overcome the resistance area and we move on to the support area by Bollinger Bands. It's located on our chart. It's also in uncertain state. We have no trend, so to say. Next, what we see, we reached 0 mark. We highlighted a small peak of the minimum began to grow. We draw a line, we see growth. Let's see. And 5 seconds left. We are, yeah, plus deal, 86%, $86. Let's increase the amount of the next deal. So we are here, up and down deal. We see 3 candles and 4th also red. For decline, the indicator fell a little. And the middle and lower ones still look up. But if we now ask even more, let's say large to the lower position, this indicator will also. Big shadows, except one. It's possible drawdown, I think, in our market. Volatility, it's strange. We're in the growth, but I think in the overall picture we see volatility is growing. We draw a line, draw down, we see, and now we are in the growth. Let's see. Plus deal, our balance is $811. Quite nice. we opened correct on this candle, and you can find these deals in my Telegram channel. Let's reduce our trade amount. Here we are in the next concept. The last area we have is consolidation, and this consolidation we often we see candles up or down. Previous candle was quite green, and I think it should be drawdown in our market. By Bollinger we see 3 lines in uncertain position. No trend in the market at the moment. Flat, maybe. The rock indicator shows us the same thing. Trend consolidation is slightly moving towards the upper position, but consolidation this has no trend, I think. 3 seconds left until the end, and plus DL profit is $132. Let's move on to the next concept. So here we are, up and down. We start our technical analysis. Resistance area we see, and support area we didn't reach it. By Bollinger we see increase 2 good candles. By rock indicator we see 0 mark, approaching the 0. Down, the volume is falling. I think we opened correct. 14 seconds left until, and 1 second until the end of the candle. Red and red will also indicate that it's continuing. 4 seconds left. Yeah, great. The profit is $130. And let's finish our trading session. Let's sum it up. We started with $100 and now we have more than $1,000. It's great. 1 minute time frame, 1 minute deal. We use the currency pairs. You can see it at the top screen. We use also technical analysis and our helpers, our indicators. I'll show you the settings. Rate of change parameters. So I think that's it, and if you have any questions you can write in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.